single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
I'm working on this walk-in shower that needs to be replaced. The previous installer did not even waterproof the back of this shower. Big no-no.
Every single time.